Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to embed SurveyMonkey in a website. I'll do it with this sample survey right here. All you need to do is come here and click on collect responses, and then we are going to create a collector. So as you can see right here, we have different survey collectors. I'll add a new collector and I'll choose a website collector. Okay, they actually give you 4 different options to collect responses from websites. So you can go ahead and use an embedded survey, an embedded button, a pop-up invitation, or pop-up survey. In this example, I'll just show you embedded survey, but it's basically the same thing. So just click on, for example, embedded survey, and then if we scroll down on the next page, it will show us a code. So here we go. This is the embedded code. Okay, so copy this code. It's been copied to our clipboard, and then we'll come here to this website, for example, and in your website, just paste it in the body section or anywhere in the HTML that it is relevant to do so. Paste it in. You can run this and see what it would look like. And they even have a preview right here on the main website. This is what it should look like. And as you can see, that is the exact same. So that is how you embed SurveyMonkey in your website.